Hello, my service managers and service advisors. This one's for you. And if you got $2 a month, and you want to help us out and really be appreciated at ourrescue.org, that is ourrescue.org. All right, let's get into this idea. In service, we are constantly turning lemons into lemonade. You know, even if the car is fixed right and it's clean and the servicing was free, it's still an inconvenience for people to be bringing that car in there, sometimes without a vehicle for a few hours. They got to miss work. They're going to be late. Sometimes there's a loaner. Sometimes they're just waiting, whatever. It's still a pain in the rear end. So a lot of people are a little bit agitated already just having to service the car because they don't do this with anything else in their life. Nothing else seems to need servicing if you think about it. So it kind of puts them off a little bit. Also, people are a little bit jaded or skeptical or negative towards us at car dealerships. We are not supposed to, and you never should, sell people things they don't need. But you need to really advise the customer what is required, because your job is to prevent things from going sideways and actually over time save the money, and you really need to believe that as an advisor. Now, we wear three hats. We're a doctor's receptionist, we're in the hospitality industry, and we're also a salesperson. We're the liaison with the technician, just like a doctor's receptionist. In the hospitality industry, look at the service you get between, Four Seasons and Holiday Inn. Which way do you want to be perceived? And we are salespeople. Cash flow is the blood of the building. We talk to a lot of people. A service advisor might talk to 20 to 60 people a day when you take all the phone calls and emails and texts and face-to-face going on. And you talk to more people in a day than a lot of salespeople talk to in a month. So the face of the dealership really is a service department, and it really affects the overall success of the dealership financially, as well as word of mouth over time. The last thing is this. If you think of the 80-20 rule, it's 80% relationship, 20% selling skills. I really believe that, or 20% sales. If you aren't good at establishing and keeping a relationship up with your clients, they aren't going to buy anything anyways. They won't be coming back. So think of the 80-20 rule. Work on your people skills. As a service advisor, you are advising people on the service they need, but don't forget they are people. We are in the people business, so keep the relationship aspect of your sales transaction or service transaction strong with everybody that walks, calls, emails, or texts into your building. I'm Dwayne. See you in the next one.